Hello, lovely people. It is your number one RN right here again, K&A_selected on TikTok, and on YouTube is RN Glory. It is question and answer time again here, and I have a question from Amma. She says that I have a diploma in nursing. Please, do I have to write another exams aside the IELTS? Okay, so Amma is basically based in Ghana, and she want to know if she writes IELTS, she has to write another exams to be able to practice in the United States. Okay, so I want to explain this to the people out there to understand that IELTS is basically an English proficiency exams. It's just talked about how do you communicate. Are you able to write? Do you understand English? That is all. So if you're going to work in any English speaking country, especially in a professional area like nursing, the state or the country want to know if you will be efficient in communicating in their language, which is the English. So English proficiency does not guarantee you a job in the United States. Now, in Ghana, if you want to become a nurse, you go through the training colleges. Once you are done, you write the licensing exams with the NMC. So that is how it is in the US. So once you have trained, you would write the licensing exams, which is called the NCLEX. Okay, so we that are trained internationally, the United States gives us the opportunity to evaluate our credentials to be sure that it meets the standard of the United States trained nurse. And if it does, they just give us the opportunity to write the NCLEX, which is their licensing exams, to be able to hold a license that permits you to practice. So, after getting your English proficiency, or if you want to work in the United States, like I have explained how English proficiency works, which is an example is the IELTS, you will need to get a license as a nurse to practice in US. So, my dear Amma, I would advise you that instead of writing IELTS first, if you are really thinking about only United States in your mind right now, I would encourage you to start with a board registration, watch like videos on the full episodes. If you don't understand anything, you can put your comments and questions there. I will be able to address it for you. Prepare for your NCLEX, and once you pass your NCLEX, you can think about the English proficiency, which can be IELTS, it can be the occupational, or it can be the PTE, other ones, TOEFL, and all that. So I hope this video explains your concerns, and if you have any further question, my DM is open to you. Thank you so much for reaching out, and I wish you all the best.